Hi guys, how are you? Today I want a story about Emma. Yes, is Sandy Garfield. Before maybe all your guys see cartoon, the name's Garfield. A big, a yellow cat and very cute. Yes, I have one cat named Emma. Is Sam Garfield. Yes, see? The position meditation and the many position for kung fu or another expert I don't know. See, above radiator all time he asleep special position. Yes, yes. Oh, who is this? Lester. Hey, yes, Lester Simpson sleep above a radiator because so cold. I don't know. The weather is good. My friends, you have cats all time sleep above a radiator or no? Yes or no? Who is this? Lady Jessie? What are you doing? Jessie? Jessie? Oh, clean your hands. Jessie? How are you? How are you? Jessie? She asleep above refrigerator. Freezer, sorry, freezer. And small Lester, Tiger, and Jessica. Yes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Who is this? Oh, Lily lady in the kitchen, the near the bath. What do you want? You are hungry? Yes. Yes or no? What happened? Who is this? Barfi. How are you? How are you, Barfi? You sleep here? Good. Good, Barfi. Good, Barfi. Who is this? Oh, Jessica. Jessica is asleep. Jessica is pregnant. Yes. Yes. Sleep above, around. Yes. Because here is cold. She likes. Julia, how are you? And the Jivan. Jivan, how are you? You sleep here? Emma, I open light? Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. What happened? What happened? You need to sleep? Switch off light? You don't want light? Yes? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Tell me in the comment, you have cat, Sim, M or no? And your cat, where place to sleep? They have all a special place for sleep. But all time, they sleep in the kitchen. Yes. Emma, what are you doing? What are you doing, Emma? Oh. Thank you for watching this video. Yes, all the mud cat come and they sleep in the kitchen. See, smallest He can't open his eyes. Oh, 2 hours, 3 hours? They were asleep. Yes. Oh, Jennifer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, please subscribe us and like this video and sharing this video for your friends and the family. Thank you so much. Bye bye.